Hello guys, good evening from Portugal. Hola, boas festas. Happy holidays in English. Boas festas. I hope I pronounce it right. Excuse me if I don't. I have the new Christmas tickets. Novas Raspadinhas de Natal. New Christmas tickets, guys. They don't have the 10 euro ticket. Now, this euro de Natal. Okay, vamos começar. Let's start with Boas Festas. How to win on this ticket. Okay. Raspe a areia do jogo se ou mais dois números por igual a ou mais dos números de sorte ganha a quantia ou a suma das quantias indicadas debaixo desses mesmos números. So, matching number, obviously. And raspe a areia bonus. Se encontrar o símbolo Arbore de Natal, Christmas tree, gana de inmediato 20. If we uncover the symbol Christmas tree, we win 20 euro automatically. Raspe a area bonus 2. Se encontrar o símbolo snowman, gana de inmediato 50. Snowman, right? I don't know what's snowman in Portuguese. That symbol, okay? All my life I struggle with languages. I live in many countries. But I have never lived in English-speaking countries. I live in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Hong Kong, Macau, but never in English-speaking countries. Now it's Portugal. Jesus. Okay, let's go. We're looking for 38 in Portuguese números. 38, 46, 21, 31. No, not 46, is ika, oh Lord. 38, 44, 21, 31. Treinta y seis, 38, 35, 29. ¿Qué hizo? 25, 43, 30, 11, 32, 31, 38. Oh Lord. 26, 42, 37, 39. A lot of numbers, guys. 15, 22. Oh Lord, nada. Okay, so there's no matching number. These are prices. Am I right? There's no matching number. Okay, so here we're looking for Arbore de Natal, Christmas tree. No, it's a navy or snow. Here, snowman. No. Oh Lord, so this is not the winner. A lot of numbers is good, guys. There's more numbers here. Oh Lord, there's more numbers. 34. 24. Maybe more numbers here. No. Okay, so even it's like I didn't see the one number, but still not a winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. It's good tickets because so many numbers to play, but it's not a winner. Okay, let's go to Presentes de Natal. Matching numbers. And if we uncover the symbol, what is this? G. See, encontrar o símbolo. This one, I don't see. It's Ganho todos os 10 premios. Okay, I have ticket number. I'm symbol blind, guys. Sorry, guys. I have ticket number 18 a 20. I have ticket number 18 to 21. Okay, let's start. I don't know what's that symbol, guys. Okay. We're looking for 31, 28, 30, 18, 13, 23, 24, 21, 12, 16, 35, 26, ano, 31, 28, nada. Okay, ticket number 18, ticket number 19, ticket number 19, we're looking for 24, 18. Ay, 24. I found a win. 20. 28. 18. 29. 35. 14. 30. 17. Okay, so I found one match. 24. 4. 5. Not bad, guys. 5 isn't bad. Okay. I found 5. Ticket number 19. 5 is not bad. There's no 18. No. This is 11. Okay. 19 is the winner. Let's go to 20. There's a symbol. Symbol win if I uncover that symbol, but I never. We're looking for 23, 28. 23, 28. 20. 16. 26. 30. 27. 12. 13. 17 in Portuguese números. 24. 35. So no win. No 23, no 28. Okay, so far I only got 5 out of 15. Let's hope I can find at least one more win. We're looking for 29, 15, 14, 12, 18, 24. 24 is always 22, 32, 17, 19, 28, 33, 29, 15. No? Okay. Let's hope we can find this symbol. We're looking for 20, 30, 20 and 30. 22, 13, 34, 16, 27. Last 5 numbers. 18. 24 always in all tickets. 28. 11. 14. Oh Lord. There's no symbol. No symbol win. Okay, so there's no win. Okay, so I only got 5 euro out of 15. 24. 5 euro. Okay, not bad, guys. Not bad. I like this ticket. A lot of numbers to play in a 5 euro ticket. Okay, I will buy more of this ticket in the future, in the near future. Okay. Okay, so I only got 5 euro out of 15, guys. 10 euro donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.